All right, now let's edit some jewelry. So in this image, there are a few issues. One, the image is a little dark. Two, because I took this image in a room that was filled with mostly wood, I have this weird yellow reddish color cast on this jewelry. So this jewelry right now looks like it's some kind of weird faded gold, but really it's a pure silver color. So we're going to fix that. The first thing I'm going to do is fix the exposure, and I'm going to play Let There Be Light, which is going to brighten the image, and then I'm also going to brighten the midtones. Then I'm going to play Pop Whites. And now we're going to fix this color cast. First, let's get rid of the yellow color cast. We're going to play Bye Bye Yellow. And I'm going to have my brush at about 30% opacity. I'm going to brush over this until that starts to look good. Now let's play Bye Bye Red and get rid of the red color cast. All right, and there we have it. Now the lower half of this image, and then also in here, is a little shadowy. So I'm just going to play on the paint off shadows just to kind of get rid of the shadows. And I'm going to lower the opacity on my brush to 20%. And we're just going to paint off some of the shadows here. We don't want to get completely rid of our shadows because we don't want our product to look like it's levitating in space. We just don't want the shadows to look quite as dark. And if you, there is a keyboard shortcut for making your brush bigger or smaller, and that's just using the right or left, the right and left bracket keys on your keyboard. And this is helpful when you are in tight spaces. You can just lower the size of your brush and get in the tight spaces. And then you can make it a little bit bigger. All right, that's looking good. So now the final thing I'm going to do is play the selective sharpening. And we're going to sharpen these gemstones a little bit more just to make them really shine. So we're going to go ahead and press play on that. And we're going to use a white brush, and we're going to just pop over the gemstones and just give them a little extra pop. And now we're going to finish it up with crisp finish. And that's all there is to it. So again, I'm going to make a snapshot of this so we can look at the before and after. I'm going to turn off these layers real quick. All right, so here's the before, and here's the after. Much better.